Despite being the lifeblood of any PC, 70% of users prioritize flashy GPUs or CPUs over their power supply. The component most likely to cause catastrophic system failure when overlooked. Spoiler, it's not sexy, it doesn't light up with RGB, but without it, your $3,000 gaming PC becomes a very expensive paperweight. A lot of people have "it's just a power box" mentality. Many assume a power supply's only job is to provide electricity, not realizing its role in voltage regulation, surge protection, and system stability. A faulty or low quality power supply can fry a $15,000 GPU or corrupt data during a high a voltage spike. What does a GPU actually do? A GPU converts AC to DC. Your wall outlet delivers alternative currents, which is AC, but every component in your PC, CPU, GPU, or RAM runs direct current, which is DC. The power supply converts AC to DC safely and efficiently so that all your parts can work correctly. Voltage regulations. Modern PCs need multiple voltage regulations. 12 volts for GPUs, 5 volts for CPUs, 3.3 volts for hard drives or USBs. The power supply splits and stabilizes these rails to prevent surges or power drops. One thing that we do know every power supply does is deliver power. A quality power supply ensures clean, stable power, no fluctuations that could fry sensitive silicones. Cheap units, on the other hand, they're like feeding your PC a bad diet of electrical fast food. Greasy, unpredictable, and prone to failure. How does your power supply interact with every component? GPUs and CPUs. High-end GPUs like an RTX 4090 can spike above 450 watts in milliseconds. A weak power supply can't handle these transient loads, causing crashes or throttling. Motherboard. The motherboard's power supply feeds the motherboard's VRM voltage regulation regulator module, which powers the CPU. Dirty power here equals unstable overclocks, random reboots, or even dead BIOS chips. Storage. Voltage spikes can corrupt SSDs and hard drives. Ever had a drive mysteriously fail? A bad power supply could be the culprit. Cooling. Inefficient power can starve fans or AIO pumps, leading to overheating. Imagine your AIO cooler stuttering mid gaming session. Why gamers and PC builders underestimate the power supply. People think that the total watts is all that matters, but a 750 watt no name power supply does not equal a 750 watt Corsair or EVGA power supply. Never cheap out on your power supply. You don't want to get cheap Chinese capacitors that fail quick and lack the protection to sustain the influxes of the new 5090. And you don't want to fry that new 5090. It's going to hurt your pockets and you're going to be sad. 80 plus certifications. Look for at least 80 plus bronze. 80 plus white is still good if you can find one. I recommend getting the Thermaltake Smart Series one, 80 plus white series. Those are good, but for any other brand, get at least 80 plus bronze. Um, Higher tiers like gold or platinum indicate better quality and more longevity. Avoid any fake certifications or no name brands claiming 80 plus like efficiency. Keep that in mind. Last but not least, we're going to give you guys a couple different options for power supply options for your builds. For number one, for budget builds, I recommend getting Thermaltake Smart Series 600 watt through 700 watt 80 plus white. It's basic. It's reliable for gaming PCs. I put them in my budget gaming PCs that I build for my customers. For mid-range PCs, I recommend going to Corsair, getting the Corsair brand, the CX series. Is great for entry level gaming. It's a great entry level gaming option if you're starting to get into that higher performance, higher end graphics cards and higher end CPUs and motherboards. I recommend going into the Corsair series because they're great, they are affordable, and you they have never failed on me. And two, for a high end one, you can pretty much stay with Corsair after your mid range because Corsair has really great products. Corsair HX1000i comes with a digital monitoring screen, plus it has a platinum efficiency. So if you're looking to get any graphics cards, I mean not graphics cards, power supplies, those would be your best options. Some red flags that you want to avoid is power supplies with RGB and no 80 plus certifications. Overkill wires like 1,000 watt power supplies for a 300-watt system. Waste the money. Don't waste your money on power supplies you don't need. And make sure you check reviews and get professional reviews like from Tom's Hardware or Linus Tech Tips. And thank you for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Comment down below if you would like to see more of these videos. Have a good rest of your day.